This is a fun open chain version of Bird of Paradise, and it's pretty challenging. We're going to start from an extended side angle pose. So bring your left foot forward, right foot back, and get a little bit of leverage through your left elbow. And then open up into Parvrita Parsvakonasana. Then from here, we'll come back, connect the hands, and slide your right foot so that it's underneath your sits bone. Start to transition your weight as you stand. Once your right knee is relatively straight, you can extend the right arm out to the side and start to straighten your left leg. And then bend it. That's really challenging. And reconnect. Slowly bend your right knee. And slide back out to extended side angle pose.